Hello and welcome to Western Australia's finest collection of natural protrusions, the Pinnacles. I'm here at the Nambung National Park, which is only about 2 hours drive north of Perth, where these limestone beauties have been standing tall and proud for over 500,000 years. Well, that's what you call stamina. Enough to get me excited. If you want to see how excited, come and visit me on my Patreon channel. Firm, weathered, and popping up everywhere. Let's go exploring. They rise majestically out of the sand. Some of them are fat. Some of them are skinny. Okay, I know I'm childish, but I did not put those there. Some are short. Some of them are just really odd shapes. This one's got a split in the middle. Sorry, but some just aren't worth bothering with. Some of them are wonky. Some of them are lonely and don't get any attention. Some are old and broken. And if you're really lucky, some of them are huge, but they can be really hard to find. And sometimes you get three at once. And some are just perfect. Ooh, cheeky. They're coming at me from everywhere. So it just goes to show there's no such thing as a normal one. So how were these natural beauties formed? Well, nobody really knows. There are a couple of theories though. One theory suggests that they are petrified trees from thousands of years ago. I'm not sure how you get this by frightening trees, but another theory is that it's caused by underground calcification. I don't really care, but they look great. So if you're ever visiting in Western Australia, I definitely recommend coming to this unique place. So you can do the 1.5 kilometre walk around the stones, or you can take a drive. And you don't need a four-wheel drive, so it's all just nice, smooth sand. So I'm taking Cockatoo here to have a look. I loved the walk that I did where you can get up close and personal with all the rock formations. But if it's too hot or you're just feeling lazy, take the car. It's probably worth a go. I reckon one day they'll stop you driving around here. It's way too much fun. Well, all joking aside, this place is simply stunning. It's quiet and it's ancient. And there's something quite grounding about being surrounded by these incredible formations that were formed hundreds of thousands of years before we came along with cameras and YouTubers, Instagrammers, that sort of thing. Sorry. Well, I'm Bonnie English. I hope you enjoyed my Pinnacles, the Pinnacles. If you did, please like and subscribe, or come and see me on Patreon. Until next time.